All right. This is a real quick recording on how to export your beautiful river mill models. We should put this in the river mill as a talking fish on the side. That would be funny. Please do this before you guys leave. I really do want to put them all together into an Unreal game engine. So I want to show you how to do a GTLF and also a GLB format, which will pack everything into one format. It's a great way to kind of hand off files that are all together. All right, so we have a fish. Some of you have some multiple objects, like a pool table that has multiple facets. So what we're going to do is go File, Export Textures, okay? And this will actually export the mesh as part of it. So just going to go to my desktop, and we're going to create a new folder, Bubba. You guys saw me do this in class, fish _3, because I just love Bubba's fish family. All right, so we're gonna hit create and I hit open, and you can see that's where it's gonna go. All right, so one of the things is we have done exporting out to Unreal packed, SSS packed as skin shaders, really beautiful skin shaders, and also maybe alphas in there and stuff, whatnot. But what we want is GTLF PBR metal roughness. All right, not sure what that is, but let's just go with this because I know what it is. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and hit export. All right, and you can see up here it's doing a base, normal, occlusion, and then it's also doing other things too. All right, so let's go ahead and open up the Bubba file. All right, and so you can see we've got the base color of the fish. Again, you may have hundreds of these if you're doing a pool table or things that have multiple texture maps. So you may have 20 or 40 or 50 of these. All right, so we have our normal map. This is just a fish. It just has one texture, and then with this you'll have the occlusion, roughness, and metallic all packed into one. Really, really dynamic because all those things are packed into the RGB format of the texture. All right, so we have a bin, which is always really small. And then we have the GTLF, which is just the mesh if we open that up. And then we have the really good thing here is the .glb. All right, so that's 38.5 megabytes. So that is the mesh and the textures combined. So you can see these textures are quite heavy. This normal map is 21.6 megabytes. I think I probably export it as 4K or 2K or 4K, and the 8K distinctor just get heavier and heavier because the texture files get bigger. All right, that is it. Please follow this tutorial, and all you have to do is show you guys may not know how to zip stuff. So we go over here, right click and hit compress, and compress that. I don't know if it's going to save anything on the file size. I'm going to do Command I. So that is 84 megabytes versus, yeah, it actually made it heavier, I think. So anyway, zip it so it's easier for me to combine all these together. All right, you guys have a good summer, and talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.